The next data type we're going to learn about is an unsigned integer. So these are integers that begin at 0. There's no negative part of it. That's where the unsigned, right? There's no sign. It doesn't allow for a negative sign. It's just 0 and positive values. And so here is our original series, and the way you reference it is with uint 64. So uint, we can change this to an unsigned 64-bit integer. Of course, that is too much room. Now we can use uint 8, and this does fit because, and we can double check here, that a uint 8 has a min of 0 and a max of 255. So it's 266 begins, possible numbers begin at 0. So it now has enough room for this 133, whereas a normal int 8, a signed int 8, did not. So these can be useful if you're trying to save some space, but otherwise you just typically stick with the, your normal int, data types. But they do exist, and they have the same bits as their signed counterparts do: 8, 16, 32, and 64. All right, that is the unsigned integers.